Have you ever thought that maybe the kid who's a soccer star and the kid who's amazing at the violin are somehow connected? Well, the answer might be hiding in plain sight. You just have to know how to look for it.
Now, you could try to find the answer by staring at a crazy table of numbers like this one, but let's be honest, that just makes your eyes go blurry.
Yup, raw numbers are just messy. They hide all the good stuff, making it pretty much impossible to see what's really going on. So what if we just ditch the numbers and turn them into pictures instead? Because that's when the hidden story just pops right out.
And that hidden story, it actually has a name. It's called an association. It's really just a simple way of saying there's a secret connection, a hidden link between two things that don't seem related.
And our secret weapon for finding these associations? Segmented bar graphs. They're awesome. They take that jumble of numbers and turn them into these super clear, colorful bars that always add up to a nice, clean 100%.
So, how does this actually work? Let's solve a little mystery. Imagine an eraser factory has a problem. One of their machines keeps making broken erasers, and we think we know which one it is.
Okay, now look at this. The bar for the red machine. See that tiny little red slice for flawed erasers? It's making almost perfect stuff. But then, you look at the yellow machine's bar, whoa, it is telling a completely different story. That giant red chunk of flawed erasers is a huge giveaway.
A whopping 40%. 40% of the erasers from the yellow machine are totally messed up.
So here's the key. The bars look completely different from each other. That's it. We found it. There's a clear association between the yellow machine and the broken erasers. Mystery solved.
All right, you get the idea. Now it's your turn. Have a look at this data about trees. Can you find a link between the type of tree and whether it's tall or short? Okay, here are the bars for deciduous trees and evergreen trees. What do you think? Are they telling different stories, or are they basically the same?
Got your answer? Let's see. In 3, 2, 1. Nope, no association here. See how the colored parts of both bars are pretty much identical? That tells us there's no real connection between a tree being deciduous or evergreen and its height, at least not with this data.
So, what's the one big rule you need to remember? It's super simple. If the bars look different, there's an association. And if they look the same, there isn't. And that's it. Now you have the secret to finding all the hidden stories hiding in data all around you.